I spent over 65 hours testing Constant Contact, Brevo, and these 7 other email marketing tools. So in this Constant Contact versus Brevo comparison, I'll break down their key features like the landing page builder, email marketing automation, customer support, and their pricing plans. I'll also score both platforms out of 5 and give you my personal recommendations. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which email marketing provider is best for you. Ease of use. Both platforms are easy to navigate, but Brevo is much more modern and faster. Constant Contact is easy to use, but the design looks outdated and the platform can be slow with longer page load times. They do have a help button you can click from almost anywhere, which is helpful. Brevo's platform is fast and easy to navigate. The layout makes sense, the interface is clean, and whether you're new to email marketing or have experience, you'll feel comfortable right away. The dashboard gives you helpful suggestions for getting started, and there's a smooth campaign creation process that's simple to follow. Both platforms offer drag and drop editors, but Brevo's is more efficient. Constant Contact's editor is easy to use and comes with standard blocks like buttons and images, plus unique items like events and RSVP blocks. However, it can feel a bit basic and outdated. Brevo's drag and drop email editor is easy to use and runs smoothly. There are 13 blocks you can choose from to create your emails. While it's missing some engagement-focused blocks like surveys and countdown timers, it still gets the job done. Constant Contact offers over 200 templates, but most look simple and outdated. You can update your own HTML templates and save brand elements, but you can't save and reuse individual content blocks. Brevo provides 48 email templates that look professional and work well on all devices. You can also upload your own HTML templates and save colors, fonts, and logos in a brand library for consistent branding. Plus, you can save content blocks like footers to reuse across different emails. Both platforms offer basic landing page builders, but Brevo is a bit better. Constant Contact's landing page builder is very basic, with only one plain option and limited content blocks. Customization is restrictive and you can't create complex funnels or highly customized designs. For forms, you get different types but no templates, and you can only add text and date fields. Brevo's landing page editor provides 16 simple templates, but you only get one landing page on the standard plan. The editor can feel clunky and slow, but the forms are more advanced. You can let subscribers choose which list they want to join and even ask multiple choice questions, though there are no form templates and you can't A/B test forms. Brevo wins ease of use with a more modern, faster interface and better form options. While Constant Contact offers more templates, Brevo's cleaner navigation, faster performance, and more intuitive dashboard make it easier to use overall. Features. Constant Contact offers decent segmentation, but you can only create one custom segment on their Lite plan. They also charge you for unsubscribed, deleted, and duplicate contacts, which can add up. Brevo lets you create filters as segments, based on contact info and behavior like email opens and clicks. You can also set up automated workflows to create new lists based on demographics, behavior, and lead scores. The best part is their unlimited contact storage. You only pay for emails sent, not contacts stored. Constant Contact's automations are very limited. On the Lite plan, you can only do basic campaigns like welcome emails. To send e-commerce emails or use custom automations, you must upgrade to their highest tier. The automations aren't flexible and there are no web tracking, lead scoring, or A/B testing features. Brevo really shines here. Their automation editor lets you set up smart trigger campaigns based on contact data, email engagement, web behavior, and e-commerce activities. They also have lead scoring and the ability to test workflows before launching them, which is much more advanced than you'd expect at this price. Constant Contact provides 58 native integrations with platforms like WordPress, Shopify, and Stripe. There are thousands more available through Zapier, but some take more work to set up. Brevo connects with key platforms like WordPress, WooCommerce, and Shopify, making e-commerce workflows easier. The Zapier integrations open up connections to hundreds of additional tools for more flexibility also. This is where Brevo really stands out. Constant Contact mainly focuses on email marketing with some basic extra features. Brevo handles email, SMS, WhatsApp, push notification, and live chat all in the one place. This makes it perfect for businesses that want to reach customers across multiple channels without juggling different platforms. Both platforms have good deliverability rates. Constant Contact has a 92% score, which is up there with the very best. Brevo's deliverability rate is 74.7%, which is lower than Constant Contact and not among the industry leaders. Most of your email will still reach inboxes, but it's not as strong as some competitors. Constant Contact provides standard reports like open and click rates, plus bounce, spam, and unsubscribe rates. There are useful items like bot clicks remove and desktop or mobile opens. They also have a heat map feature, but you'll need to upgrade to premium to use it. Brevo provides most of the reports you'll need, including click maps, location tracking, and Google Analytics integration. You can also access conversation data if you've connected an e-commerce platform. However, custom reports aren't available, and if you're on the starter plan or lower, your access to data is limited. Brevo wins features with better automation, multi-channel marketing, and unlimited contact storage. While Constant Contact has a slightly better deliverability and more integrations, Brevo's advanced automations, multi-channel capabilities, and a more fair billing system make it the best choice for most businesses. Customer support. Both platforms offer limited migration support. Constant Contact doesn't offer hands-on migration support. They position themselves as a self-serve platform. While their customer success team can guide you, you'll have to do the heavy lifting yourself. Brevo doesn't offer hands-on migration support either, but they provide built-in tools for importing contacts from platforms like MailChimp and ActiveCampaign, which is helpful and doesn't require expensive plans. Both platforms have good reviews, but Brevo's perform better overall. Constant Contact has a solid 4 rating with over 1,000 reviews, which is decent. The main complaints are about their pricing policy and being charged for unsubscribed, deleted, and duplicate contacts. Users are also frustrated about having to call customer support to cancel their plan. Brevo has a solid 4.3 ratings with almost 7,000 reviews, which is really good. The main complaints are about strict account usage and sometimes slow support. If they detect any suspicious activity, they may freeze your account. But I find that as long as you're not doing anything shady, you shouldn't have anything to worry about. Constant Contact offers several support channels, including email, live chat, phone support, a knowledge base, and a community support. However, chat and phone support are not available 24/7, which can be frustrating. You also need to call to cancel your subscription. Brevo provides a universal help button that gives you access to their knowledge base or lets you leave a message for support. There's also the Brevo Academy for beginners. Phone support is available to professional and enterprise users Monday through Friday, but they no longer have live chat support on any plans. Brevo wins customer support with better ratings and more consistent quality. Brevo's 4.3 Trustpilot rating versus Constant Contact 4 shows higher customer satisfaction. Brevo also provides better migration tools and more responsive support across all plans, while Constant Contact's requirement to call for cancellation and inconsistent support availability make it the weaker choice. Pricing. This is where the difference is huge. Constant Contact offers a free trial, but no permanent free plan. The Lite plan starts at $80 per month for 5,000 contacts, but is very limited with only one custom segment and basic automation features. The standard plan starts at $110 per month, and the premium plan jumps to $200 per month. The biggest issue is that you're always charged for the highest number of contacts you've ever had, even if you deleted thousands of contacts already. Brevo really shines with their unique pricing model. Instead of charging based on the number of contacts like most competitors, Brevo charges based on how many emails you've sent. The free plan gives you 300 emails per day, or about 9,000 per month, with unlimited contact storage. And the starter plan begins at $9 per month for 5,000 emails with unlimited contacts, and the standard plan costs $18 per month. Brevo dominates pricing with a much cheaper email-based pricing and unlimited contact storage. For a business with 10,000 contacts sending 20,000 emails per month, you'll pay $18 with Brevo versus $110 with Constant Contact. Brevo's model means you can build a huge email list without worrying about costs until you actually send more emails, while Constant Contact charges for your highest contact count ever, making it much more expensive. I also have a special discount to save you money on both these tools, so check out the link in the description below. Brevo is a clear winner and it's not even close. They won every category in my comparison. While Constant Contact has been around for a long time and offers solid integrations, it's no longer competitive in today's market. So if you're ready to get started with Brevo, then I recommend watching this full Brevo tutorial next. But if you want a better alternative to Constant Contact, then this is my personal recommendation for you.